Do you like the little fishies in your soup?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can scoop them up with your spoon, you know. You want this spoon?
Yeah.
Here. There you go. There's a fishy in there. Where'd all the Nemo fishies go? I don't see. Nope, they're not in there anymore. The fishies? You want more fishies?
Yeah.
Can you say, please?
Please.
Please? Okay.